will have a similar impact. This indicates the transformative potential of AI, implying that new and unforeseen job opportunities could arise within the aerospace industry. Even the late Stephen Hawking, renowned physicist, once cautioned, "The rise of AI could be the worst or the best thing that has happened for humanity." His words echo the sentiment of uncertainty yet potential that AI brings to the table. Clearly, there are diverging views on the impact of AI on aerospace jobs, but one thing is certain: change is coming. AI's impact on aerospace jobs is not a simple matter of job loss. It's a complex topic with many facets. As we journey through the cosmos of this discussion, let's take a moment to summarize our trajectory. The advent of AI has indeed led to automation, and consequently, the phasing out of certain roles within the aerospace industry. But it's crucial to remember that this is not the end, but rather a new beginning. The rise of AI is simultaneously giving birth to an array of new roles that require different skills. These are not roles that merely require programming or engineering expertise, but also creative thinking, problem solving, and an understanding of complex AI systems. The aerospace industry, a field that has always been on the cutting edge of technology, is evolving at light speed, and with that evolution comes the need for professionals who can not only keep up but also lead the charge. Adaptability and continuous learning are no longer just desirable traits, they are essential for survival in this rapidly changing field. So let's not view AI as an adversary that's out to steal our jobs. Instead, let's embrace it as a tool that can open up exciting new frontiers in aerospace. The future of jobs in aerospace with AI is not a threat, but an opportunity. An opportunity to learn, adapt, and create a future where humans and AI work hand in hand.